Welcome back. We just got back from Harry Potter World in Florida, and we are excited to show you the unboxing of the Skiving Snackbox from Wheezes Wizard Wheezes. This snack box is pretty solid. It's $40, but there's 4 different kinds of candy in, so $10 a candy. Expensive, but consistent with Harry Potter World. All right, can you please do the honors, Dave?
Absolutely.
Oh, I'm Javenta.
Carolee.
And I'm Dave.
And we are here from Harry Potter World.
Aloha Mora.
All right, here it goes. Okay, so when you get Fred and George's Skiving snack box, it opens up. I can't say it's
What a
super
beautiful
stable,
display.
but it's a beautiful display of candy.
I love it.
Wingardium Leviosa.
That's really cool.
No, we don't want it to fly. Not right now.
Camera. I was going to
So
float
it
the
looks
camera.
like the order listed in the back is probably the order that these are placed in. So let's see, the top one is the Fainting Fancies.
So if you open this up and you look at these are Fainting Fancies, but there's actually no label on them. So one thing I did actually when I went to Harry Potter World, they have the
You can buy them separate.
boxes you can buy separate if you just want to try one and you don't want to pay for the whole box. And so Fainting Fancies are orange and lemon fruit gummies. And if you eat one side, you'll faint, supposedly.
If you've seen the Sunkissed
And-
ones, these are like twice as big.
Yeah,
as
they look like the
Sunkissed
sun-kissed
jellies.
ones. And then if you eat the other side, you'll wake up. But I don't know how you'll swallow it if you're sleeping. So that's a problem that Fred and
You have
George
a
need to
friend.
figure out.
No, you have a friend that
It'll
puts
have
it
to
in
be
the
like
mouth.
Princess Bride where they shove it down your throat.
That's right.
Okay. So hopefully we won't faint.
Okay, so number 2 is Fever Fudge.
And unfortunately it's on the right, not the left. So the Fever Fudge, quite frankly, looks like no fudge I've ever seen before. I don't even know if it tastes good because it looks like those jelly beans.
With red hots in
It looks like jelly beans that have been cut up in pieces in a candy mash.
Oh.
But you can't buy those anywhere else. So if you want a
Fudge.
fever to get out of class or any responsibilities, you'll want to get this one.
Our kids can
Nice.
use it for chores.
Yeah, my kids will use it for chores. All right, Nosebleed and Nougat. Would you like to display this one?
Sure.
It looks like a Milky Way, to be quite honest.
Yeah, this looks great. This looks like a candy bar with awesome stuff.
We have little
So-
candy spheres on top with where are those nuts on the side.
These almost look like
They
pistachios.
look like pistachios on
They look
top.
like pistachios, and then these look like the little candy-covered maybe chocolates that people use with baking and stuff. And then these look like a chocolate-covered candy bar. I'm not sure what's in it, but I bet it's delicious.
Guessing it's a nougat,
Looks great.
some sort of nougat.
Yeah.
So
Back.
what I don't know, however, is how you stop your nosebleed when you start it.
On one side
This is the
starts
whole
it,
deal
and the other
package.
start, and
Yeah,
the other
I'm not
side
sure.
stops it.
All right, the bottom is the puking pastilles, right?
Yes. Yep.
Again, none of these are labeled, so just keep that in mind when you open them because we had to figure out which ones were which. So puking pastilles, one side will make you vomit and the other side will make it go away.
I'm guessing the green makes you vomit.
That's what I would guess too. Only one way to find out.
Yeah, 50%
Anyway.
chance.
If you want to spend $40 at Harry Potter World, half of it really less. It's in the fun of just doing it because you can. So, all right, if you want to see us eat it, watch our next video.
Like and subscribe.
Thanks, guys.
Descendio.